Add speed effects. Now, let's make some parts of your video play in slow motion or speed up for added impact. If you shot your viral footage at 60 frames per second, or also known as FPS, you can create smooth slow motion effects by changing the speed to 50% or lower. Conversely, if you want to speed up certain parts, adjusting the speed to 200% or higher will create a fast motion effects. Remember, the difference between 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second footage is important when changing the speed. Footage shot at 60 frames per second offers smoother, slow motion effects compared to 30 FPS footage. To add a slow motion effects, highlight it, right click on it, then choose speed and duration. Then you can choose 50% to make a smooth slow motion. Click OK, and then once you play it, it's gonna be a slow motion effects. Conversely, if you highlight it, right click, choose speed duration and make it 200%. Click OK, and it will create a fast motion effects. Fifth, check clip details. Before you proceed, it's helpful to check the details of your clips, such as frame rate or FPS. To do this, simply right-click and select Media File Properties. Here, you can see important information like FPS, resolution, and duration. By adding transition between your clips and adjusting the speed of certain parts, you can create a more polished and professional-looking video. Experiment with different types of transition and speed effects to find the ones that best suit your project style and tone.